Oh shit.
Meat. Meat.
I'm trying to think.
Meat. This is a sawmill, correct?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to.
Sawmill meaning sawdust. Don't question it, right?
What do you mean by meat?
You can't like put your phone on do not disturb.
Are you fucking serious? Hell no.
Not when it's on.
Okay, they're spiking again. What do you mean by meat?
Music. The little boy. You remember how he was singing music?
He wasn't singing music, but he was whistling and shit. Do you hear music?
Or do you want us to play music?
That's a dumb question. I wasn't gonna say that. I wasn't gonna say that. I was gonna say that, but then I was like, no, it's a dumb question.
Okay. See, let me just stop talking.
Where is the music coming from? Who's playing music? Probably should have asked it basic questions like, what is your name and shit?
What names did we have? Mira and Zoe.
Mira, Zoe, yeah.
Was it only that one kid that worked at the sawmill? Because it was that 16-year-old and then a young
Well,
boy.
I never knew about a wife or anything, so.
And then a well.
Well, it said Mira and then it said hollowed, so maybe Mira was like the boy's son or the boy's mother or something. Well, it's dead now.
Well, let's walk.
Yeah, we gotta walk.
We're walking.
What is your name? Who am I speaking to?
Now I know how the Ghostbusters feel.
Okay, well, no, Ghostbusters is just retarded. That's not even real Ghostbusters.
Spiking up again.
Yeah, that shit's like, it's always when we're by the, shh, it's always when we're by the damn house, I swear. Thousand. Music 1000. What is your name? I want to see how intelligent it is because like I'm asking it questions and it's just giving me like random stuff. Huh?
Is it still here? Right here. Phone.
Huh? What? You want me to die?
No, don't walk. It's really soft right there.
Well, yeah, I know that, but we gotta walk to like the edge at least. That's what I'm saying. We needed to leave a phone like on the table or something, like somewhere out here.
1,000.
Who am I speaking to?
Where are we again?
Who said that? Who said that?
Come on. Sawmill? Sawmill. And it's by
Oh hell no, bro.
Back Again.
Dude, turn that fucking light off.
Dude, I can't.
Well, stop looking at me funny. Back again.
Says
Maybe
back
maybe it's saying like we're back at the house again. Maybe.
That's what I'm saying. It says twice.
says
we've
back
been here
again.
already.
Over there, on the corner of the house, I heard like a thumping noise. Like
I heard
someone
it
like, yeah, like someone like kicked the wall or some shit. I'm being so serious. You said what?
It said to leave.
Did you restart the time? Right.
Yeah, it's really not something. keep forgetting that cars are... Holy shit.
Yeah,
Dude.
Um,
Oh.
right.
The lights.
Bro.
The lights.
No, no, no.
Chill the fuck out, will you?
Right.
Are you talking about our lights?
Um, dude, I'm shaking.
Are you talking about our lights? Every time I ask a question.
Fame.
Were you famous for something? Should we keep walking? Because we're getting a lot of activity at this house.
That's what I'm saying.
There's got to be something connected to this house. And I never heard anything about anybody living. Oh, shit. I forgot that the sawmill wasn't just a sawmill. It was like a little town. So somebody could have lived here.
That would make sense.
Well, this shit's dead now. Should we keep walking? Think we should keep walking a little bit?
Every time you say it's dead, it does that.
I know, and every time I ask a question, it comes up with another word. It's pissing.
Stop.
I know, that's why I stopped
Chill
myself.
out. Glenn is FaceTiming me.
Tell Glenn just get on fucking
Glenn,
live.
Glenn, get on my live.
Fucking idiot. Why would you FaceTime somebody? I literally told him. He said, I'll be watching. Not on FaceTime, jackass. Kelly. Kelly.
Kelly.
Or Kelly?
Stop.
No, I'm just kidding. Who is Kelly? So Kelly,
Mira.
Zoe, and Mira.
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 So we got 3 girls' names.
You don't.
It could be girls. You know, you don't know.
Yeah, Kelly's kind of unisex.
Yeah, but you're not gonna... I never heard
I know a couple of guy
Shut the
Kellys.
fuck up, dude. If I can't do that, you can't do that.
Live ended. What?
Dude, can you like... Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
You tell me I heard that.
What does Kelly mean? Who is that?
Okay, Glenn. We have a bunch of names, dude. We have Kelly.
Why are you FaceTime?
I'm not FaceTiming. He
Oh.
just joined.
Okay, good.
We have a bunch. Let's type him again.
I want to ask another question, but I can't.
It's going up. It's going up.
I know. Chill. If we're getting this much activity...
Glenn said y'all niggas tripping.
Okay, well,
Shut up, Glenn.
tell him shut the fuck up then. If
You
we're
work
ge-
at Lowe's. Your
if we're
opinion
getting-
doesn't matter.
Okay, if we're getting this much activity just outside of the sawmill, imagine how much activity we'd be getting
I'd be more
inside the
scared
sawmill.
to
I'd
be
be more.
inside.
Yeah, I would not be able. I would have to be more prepared. I never do that.
Who is Kelly?
Well, I didn't want Chris to die, Glenn. So
What'd he say?
he said I'd never do that shit. Y'all finna get haunted. Actually, we didn't. We said a prayer, and then we have to say it.
Tell him, Glenn, shut the fuck up. Stop hating, dude, for real, because this shit's pissing me off.
Who y'all with?
Stop.
We might have to keep walking. Because it just left.
She leaving. You heard that?
Yo. I thought that was a song.
You heard it again.
What are you hearing? Because I'm hearing like a thump.
Thump.
Yeah. It sounds like someone's like walking up the steps or some shit.
Okay, what's that noise?
What noise?
That we're right next to the highway.
Oh.
It's going back up. Yeah, Ghostbusters 2019. Glenn said.
Okay, Glenn's gay. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep walking.
All right. We're walking.
Okay,
But
so we know for sure.
we had flashlights, but the thing said bright, so we turned them off. But so everything is
Bro, did y'all hear that?
No.
no.
That was a, that
So
was, that was a
everything
door.
the
That
phone.
was a what?
That was a door.
No way.
No, I'm for real.
What door?
I don't know.
Like,
it was
what direction did you hear it from?
that direction.
So that means
Like
it must be up there.
planned.
We still have yet to do EVP sessions up there too. All right, let's just do one last walk out here.
They said, it first said, it gave us some names: Zoe, Mira, and Kelly. Then it told us noise, well, and what else? Well, noise, and fame.
You're close to the woods regardless.
And then it told us back again when we came back to the house.
Don't forget hello.
And then it just went dead.
What?
And then, yo, these ghost things are real. Oh, dude, my teacher's on.
Will
Awesome.
you fucking...
Dude, chill out. And then it said bright, so we had to turn our flashlights off. So now we're walking down
We
the
didn't
street.
have to turn our flashlights
Well,
off.
look,
It's
dude.
just, I turned mine off and then...
Okay, well, I'm turning mine back on.
I would have. Are you
I'll
serious?
40
You're
seconds.
recording.
Yeah, what?
40 seconds.
All right, cool. Cool.
We're getting a lot of activity.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of activity. Chris wants to trespass, but we can't.
Man, because that shit was so dope, dude.
That would have been, but dude,
See, think
you
about what
commit,
could've
you
been.
commit, you
Think about what
commit
could've been.
sinful actions.
20 seconds.
Okay, but who's gonna be out here to snitch? A ghost?
Yes. Not well.
I don't-
Was that rope there before?
A rope? I don't know. We never. That's
that
not a
rope?
rope. That's a tree branch.
No, that right there, that's not a branch.
I don't know what you're pointing at.
Doing it again.
It's about to close.
Hurry up and re-record it. Hurry up and re-record it.
I don't like being on the dark part of this road.
Yo, I know y'all heard that.
I do.
Came from over there.
All right,
Yeah.
start the time over.
I did it
And
already.
y'all can get arrested, Mom said. Yes, we can.
Man, ain't nobody.
Why am I leading? I'm terrified. Okay, can we turn around?
Walk carefully because I don't know where the.
Okay, turn back
Thing
around.
is-
Let's go back up there, and then we can leave. Hey, going over this creek. And all right, dude, I'm just gonna let you know, bro. If I'm chill,
Because we keep like passing up hotspots and stuff.
dude, that's not a hot spot. Let me tell you the definition of a hot spot.
I don't know why I'm being so serious.
Hey,
Ah.
we're all Christian here. Y'all, what y'all bombs doing? We're ghost hunting. All right, let me say it again. So this app right here, it tells us like if like a spirit is nearby, right?
It doesn't tell us. That
Well, I mean, it tells like something's nearby. Oh,
Yeah.
and then a message will pop up. Like we had a couple of messages. We had 3 girl
just
names.
call it an EVP. That's what
There's
it
an
is.
EVP.
I just clicked on my app and the first word that popped up was farmer.
I don't know if
We
that's
had
a sign.
Kelly, Zoe, and Mira. Then we asked who they were, and then the ghost. Well, someone said fame. You heard that?
Yes.
Chill.
All right.
What did it sound like, y'all?
Something falling.
Okay, why are you backing up?
Because look, creeks are.
Okay, but still.
Don't push me.
And then it said bright. When we were over by a house over there, and it said bright, and we kept hearing thumps. But when we first got here, we heard like a steam engine turn on in the back.
I don't really think you had to explain everything.
Well,
we're gonna see Glenn sometime soon.
it's not Glenn, it's somebody else. It's past your bedtime. Go home. Yeah, totally. Let's totally do that.
What I'm talking about, dude. Like, if you were on Instagram Live from the beginning, you'd know what happened.
For real.
If you weren't,
Come on.
we'll just tell you later.
I done said this on Snap. For real. Dude, I have a lot of people and I'm happy. You got something else?
I just had it. Anybody else hear that?
Yeah.
It sounded in the background. It sounded like a... Y'all didn't hear that?
No.
It sounded like a...
Oh my god, how does one delete an app?
Yeah, it's trying to tell us something now.
Wish.
Wish.
Wish. Wish. Wish.
Shh, shh, shh. What's going on?
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Wish. Sounds like me on Snap. Wish.
Okay. Hands.
Why are you looking at me?
What does it mean by hands?
Because you got the blackest hands here.
Okay, let's walk up.
How you gonna walk away after this is...
Well, it went down, dude.
I know we went down, but if it's talking to us right now, why would you leave?
Because
it's still going.
Hands. I'm like,
Wish and hands.
I'm like,
Well, I mean, I did have my hand out like this the entire time.
Really?
I'll be
Why?
associated. Well, because I was telling him to be quiet, and then I was like, okay,
hands. Shayla's on.
okay. Okay. We got hands.
Hands. Back again. Bright.
That's the only one that creeped me out was back
again.
I know.
What do you mean by hands? That's really making me mad.
What?
That damn frog.
Frogs. That's scary.
Can we walk up?
Yeah. Let's walk a little bit. Walk slowly, bud. Oh, Jesus.
What?
I walked a few feet and it started going up again.
It's going up again.
Your eyes are watering.
I'm very nervous right now.
He's gonna cry on this one.
I'm probably gonna cry in the car.
Look.
Shameful.
Shameful. My tears?
Okay, bro,
Yo,
chill,
that's
chill.
gonna make me cry.
Yo.
Shameful.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. That means it's standing like right with us. It has to be.
Yo, I just felt something push me.
For real? Are you sure it wasn't Aaliyah?
My hands are by my side.
This in Ghost Adventures, you don't just say someone pushes you and like be
Did you
standing
not
next
just
to
see me
some.
go forward?
I did, but I didn't know what that was.
It
How
wasn't
long are you going to
me.
stay? Not long, Mom. My daughter.
Okay, we gotta go.
Okay, you can chill the hell out, Aaliyah. You don't leave in the middle of an investigation.
My
Ghost Adventures
daughter.
does it all the time.
Okay, Ghost
Who is-
Adventures waits 2 hours.
Who is his daughter? Kelly, Zoe.
Wish, shameful, my daughter. Who is your daughter?
Hands.
What do you mean hands?
That's what it said.
Oh my god, yo. It said hands, and then Michael got pushed forward. I'm being so serious. You remember? It said hands, and it was there for a minute, and then you got pushed forward, and then it said the next word. Yo.
Shameful. Is he shameful?
Shameful and my daughter.
But it said shameful when you said that you were gonna cry.
Ghost ain't gonna call Michael pussy.
I mean, you
Who
are.
is your daughter?
Because they gave us 3 girl names: Zoe, Mira, or Kelly. I hate that fucking noise, dude.
Itself. What do you mean by itself?
We're never doing this again. Promise you, we're never doing this
I
again.
don't want to.
And we're not gonna do this again.
I'm gonna have to use more than just this one ghost tab.
I don't know why you haven't switched yet.
Well, because I asked
Okay,
him if I should cut it off, and y'all just stared at me. I'm being so serious.
It's your phone.
It's going up
Okay,
again.
okay. Yeah, I know you heard that. I heard it up there.
Okay.
It did a.
Under chair.
I thought it was finna say under light, and I was finna fucking.
The only chair,
Dude, I'm
Is that-
shaking, dude.
Is what one?
the one at
I'm
the house.
shaking.
Okay. Wait, no. Cause there's I saw some chairs over by the entrance over there.
Oh.
Shut the hell up.
Dude, I'm shaking.
What do you mean by under chair? Okay, it died down.
Shall we continue walking?
Yes. I don't know, cause it died down, but it keeps going up. Yeah, it keeps going up.
Ooh, dude.
Where's this chair at? It's like a game of chain reaction. You gotta figure out the next word.
I love that game show.
Oh my God. Sorry. Yeah, my nose is starting to run a little bit just because it's cold outside.
Oh shit, sorry. Video
What's
pause.
under the chair? What the hell?
Stop.
Well, you bumped into me, so I kind of have to say one.
Shall we continue walking?
Yeah, I would a little bit. Because you remember we walked like 5 steps and it started going off again. I'm telling you, we've gotten the most activity out of that damn house.
I would not, because if I like, and you want to dude, we're not trespassing. Why don't we go? If you want to come back here, why don't we go to one of the tours? That's what I wanted to do with the jail.
Well, if we would have came back tomorrow, because it closes at 4.
But that won't give me enough time to go home, because I have to go to
Dude,
work.
it opens at 9 in the morning.
Oh. I'm not driving back down here. Okay.
Okay, it's starting to go. Yep.
Right in the middle.
What, nigga? What, nigga? You can't just bug-eye me and not say nothing.
I didn't bug at you.
Nigga, this nigga literally... And I said, what?
Stop telling my fans.
What fans? You mean the fans that you got off of my Instagram?
Was your mother on Instagram? I think not.
She should have been.
The video paused again. I'm about to go to sleep. If you don't feel comfortable, go to your car. Ghost hunting. Ghost hunting can be creepy as fuck. I love you, and don't tell Kristen to go in and trespassing.
No trespassing.
No trespassing,
Can't stop
Chris.
me.
Is the video paused? Is the video paused?
No, I'm trying to look at the damn thing.
It's you see the green.
Yeah,
dot?
the green light was going. Okay. Shh. I'm still trying to figure out what's under this chair. Okay, okay.
Quarantine?
Quarantine.
I don't remember any. Oh, it's still going. What do you mean by quarantine?
Yo, lucky when you do that out of nowhere, it scares me.
Is that what?
When you just yell like that out of nowhere, it
Dude.
scares me.
I just got chills.
Okay, well, it's cold outside, Michael.
Shut up.
I'm being serious. It's cold. That's why I said we should have done it when it's warm.
During the summer?
Somebody had work, though. Somebody had work, though.
Yeah, you know, some of us have our priorities fucking straight.
Well, you're down here, so you don't have a priority.
I came down here to
Shut
see
up.
you.
Shut up.
And
My
what you do?
priorities are straight.
And what'd you do? Play fucking 2K all day.
Do you have a job? Bum.
Yeah?
He works for Tips Only.
Yeah, and you used to work for Tips, so why are you talking?
I work at a bowling alley.
I don't think I could do that. Work for tips only? That seems lame. I would get tired. $5 can't last me for like 2 weeks. Oh my god.
Sorry.
You're sneezing pissed it off.
Sorry. Dude, why does...
Okay, don't record until we have, like, words or anything.
Well, I've been recording for 26 minutes.
I know, but, like, don't record the phone unless we got words or something. Can you... God damn, dude.
Why'd you look at me like I've been standing here the whole
I
time?
know, but y'all niggas riding my dick right now.
You're the one with the phone.
Give. Okay, I'm getting off live. Nobody's on.
That's gay. Fake ass fans. What do you want us to give?
Now, if it
Why?
Says something, if it says something creepy, dude, we have to
That's
do.
what I'm saying.
Go on Michael's love right now. Go on Michael's love right now.
Did it say love?
Make it really ghost hunting.
Did it say love? Or did
Yeah,
it say live?
It said love.
Damn it.
Okay, Mary. Let me shut up. I forgot I'm recording.
There's nobody was watching, bro. There had to be like 3 or 4 people still watching.
Oh, it was Mom, Elizabeth, Trey, Glenn.
Dude,
my
then you
teacher.
should have kept it going so they know.
I did. It's gone.
Oh,
But it stopped.
oh, what the hell?
Like I said,
You still don't have that ghost tracker thing on? Okay. What do you want us to give? Till what?
Nothing.
Oh, is it shut off or something?
No,
You've had that on the entire time? And deposit. Why did you tell me these were saying anything? When I've been asking it questions, you didn't say it said anything.
I just turned it on.
Into positive him lip where ancient written question season him live word. I don't even know what this means. I really don't. What do you want us to give?
Ghost news. Crazy. That's what it says. It says ghost news.
I know, but what the heck? Well, this thing's going crazy. Warrior worth no. Warrior worth no. Warrior worth. Warrior wife.
Give warrior wife or
No, that already said it like 10 minutes ago.
turn it off.
Well, we can't turn this off because this... I don't know what the G means, though. We should have used this by the house.
Let's go.
How can we go?
Don't look at me.
You're talking
3.
about staying in here till like midnight and wants to leave after like 30 minutes.
Cause I'm.
You gotta be dedicated. You gotta be dedicated. What do you want us to give?
Is the camera hurting your head?
Nah, it's good. You got about 25 seconds. Now, why would a bird?
All right. We're gonna turn it off.
Why are we turning it off?
Cause it's not getting anything but blackness.
I know, but it still had. I mean, yeah, that's true, but
And the fucking.
yeah, it's time anyway. Oh, your phone.
You're fine. All right. Hold on. I gotta turn off.
Damn it, dude.
Okay, you're good.
Is there something you need us to give to you?
Give my phone. Heaven.
Let's go. That's it.
Heaven.
Let's go.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
so heaven, and I said,
Pause.
is there anything
Nude.
you need us?
said. Huh?
You said nudes.
Nude. Heaven. When you asked that popped up. Heaven.
What did? When I said, what do you need
You
us to
said,
give to
what
you?
do you say? What did you? That last time you said, what did you need us to give? It said heaven.
What do you need us to give to you? And he said heaven. He's probably. Oh,
It's
so
him.
he's probably hurt right now. Cause
Did he commit? Did you know how it is when a ghost can't pass?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Move, sue who's public blue? What?
The news data not enough. Some things don't talk. An EMP meter may be more useful at times. Ghost moon sue who public live learn. Something notebook period new. Those few live.
Maybe.
Because you know how a ghost can't pass over if
They've already done something bad.
not it technically speaking, yeah.
But I
And
don't know his name. I don't know his name.
And he can't cross over
Until he's
Till-
given.
until he either gives something or the person he killed accepts and forgives him. Because that's how it normally works.
Who are we speaking to? You gotta make sure you're focused.
Sorry.
Why is the breeze?
Yeah, I noticed it's always when we walk back.
Hostile.
Exactly.
Hostile.
I mean, it was a pretty gruesome crime. I'm being serious. Hostile.
Use.
Let me try.
New. Neutral.
Neutral, new. Youth curtain.
Don't like that side.
The signal, bro. Just wait.
Look how high this is when you walk towards the house.
Slow.
Well,
3,
something happened
2,
in the house.
1. 3, 2,
What are you doing?
1. Pause.
No, when you come towards the house, it goes up.
That's what I'm thinking. But it don't tell you, like,
Swim.
Huh?
Swim.
swim. What do you mean swim?
I'm getting scared.
Who are we speaking to?
Always between through. Always swing through. Always swing. Always why?
Why did you give us the names of those women?
Ridiculous remain event wooden.
Okay, that's just making no sense now. Okay, well that's not working. So.
Go back to another app. You want to keep this app open?
Yeah, pushing this in a full dictionary.
Over. Over.
The camera
Okay, well,
and point it towards the house.
why would I do that? Probably should hit record. Oh, that's the electromagnetic wave, so it tells you when like something's near. Well, at least it's Siri talking to us. What do you mean by cupboard?
None.
Like N-O-N-E or N-U-N?
Known. Unknown. Have fun.
Wait, why did I say that?
Look where we're at.
Half wise.
Wait, what?
It had popped up. It said
Fun, half wise, have wise. Oh, have wise.
I'm very wise. Yes. Whip his. She has foreign. Have. Okay. Wave
camera's getting
8.
blurry.
She's warm.
My camera's blurry as shit. Still blurry. Yo,
Wave
Point at something
fever
else and see if
heat.
it clears.
oh my god.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That shit's blurry, dude. Who are we speaking to? Well, if they tell us a name, at least we'll learn some names. That's what I'm thinking. It's like right on the brink of going to yellow.
No.
This nigga on Tinder right now. Fake.
Go back another one.
Yeah, that's gay.
So
Okay.
basically, down here, it picks up stuff. You like how that is.
Yeah, pretty much. I never saw those dots before. I guess that's for like us. I'm guessing, and then that's for like. There's something different in that house,
no.
bro. There's something different in that house, bro.
I'm getting scared to the point where I literally, I really have to go to the bathroom.
Go pee.
Oh, there's a gas. Do you want to go to the gas station?
Why'd you laugh?
Because the way you were like, no. What is your name? Well, I gotta make it loud and clear.
Still have nothing.
Do you know Tracy? The guy that does the tours here.
Oh, that shit pissed it off.
Purified.
Purified.
What does purify mean? I'm being serious.
I have nothing yet.
Damn it, dude. What is purified?
I got pee.
because of that damn.
It was like a squeaking sound.
It's a squeaking sound.
For real?
Yeah.
There it is.
Like a dog chew toy squeaky, or like
No,
like a something
Like a
grinding
door,
against,
like a doorknob.
Yeah, like a squeaky door. There it is again.
what?
You didn't hear it?
You
just
need to
now?
listen. It's coming from over there.
Well, I keep hearing this. And it's like beep beep, something like I don't know. Oh, nigga, that could be like a bird or something. There's no way we're gonna hear a damn squeaky doorknob from all the way fucking
You
down
heard a
here.
door slam.
When?
I heard the engine turn on.
You didn't hear the door slam?
No. Yeah, because I was back there and I was like, what door? And
Near,
I asked you
spirit,
what door and you were like, somewhere
around,
there.
nowhere.
You said what?
Near, spirit, around, nowhere.
So there's no
Wave 8, she warned. You're asleep, jewelry near. One somewhere soon near. A wrestling jewelry near. It said arrest.
jewelry. One
Does
someone's.
that mean we should leave?
What is that even? How do you even? I hate you.
This is gonna be scary, but like, ask if it wants us to leave.
We got
Hell no.
We got it. If she's dude, we got it.
So I'm saying you don't want to see that pop up on your screen. Leave. Like then it may seem like a demonic type spirit.
Oh my god.
Slam the doors when they slam.
You can't go.
Yo,
Sleep still.
Sleep what?
I don't want to
so.
ask if that's the one that slammed the door. I really don't.
Don't.
Lovely
I know
heat
you
for
want
the
to, but
nurse
don't.
ring in the basement.
I've been the only one asking questions.
You don't know what the phone.
Okay, but you can still ask questions.
Bitch, I'm scared. What I look like?
Man, Michael ain't done nothing, bro.
My feet are getting cold.
My hands are very cold.
Fine.
Just checking in, are you?
Holy shit.
I don't like that.
Austin.
I'm not gonna lie. Austin's son year just snapped me.
You said what?
Austin's son year, he's a drummer. He just
Bitch,
snapped me.
we gotta go.
You'd be the worst person to bring on Ghost Adventures. I swear to God.
I'm too scared.
Anytime something pops
Oh,
up on a phone,
dude.
we gotta go.
There
Like
always
literally,
has to be that one
any
person.
yeah, and you're being a dick.
So what do you want me to do? You want me to chill the fuck out? I'm gonna chill the fuck out.
Yeah, you say that now. You've been doing the same thing she's been doing.
In my blue hole.
I didn't even know that. Wait, how long after it said Austin did he snap you?
I don't know.
This nigga.